The regulation and history of animal testing. The beginning of animal rights and regulation started in the early and mid-1800s. In 1824, the Royal Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, an animal rights organization, was formed. Later, in 1876, an Act for Prevention of Animal Cruelty was created in the UK. It did not reach the United States until the 1960s. The United States legislature began to look at the issue of animal welfare and animal testing due to a cover page of Life magazine in the 1960s. After much public interest following the cover image of an emancipated dog in a research facility, the Animal Welfare Act, AWA, was created. The AWA covers all species of animals in all types of research, with the exception of birds, mice, rats, and agriculture animals used for production purposes. Many more regulation offices overseeing animal welfare in laboratories, such as Public Health Service. This policy applies to all species and to all research facilities funded by the National Institute of Health. The Office of Laboratory Animal Welfare. This is the agency that oversees regulations. The Guide for the Care and Use of Laboratory Animals, also known as the Guide, was first published in 1963 as a manual for facilities that use animals in research. The latest version of the guide, published in 1996 by the National Research Council, contains standards for the husbandry, housing, veterinary care, personal training, and physical plant specifications for research institutions. In 1885, the AWA was amended to provide for the formation of the Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee. Its purpose is to review research proposals involving animals and to oversee institutional animal care and use programs. The IACUC must review the institution's animal care and use programs and inspect animal housing and use areas every 6 months. The IACUC is also charged with reviewing and approving research activities involving animals. Another form of regulation for animal testing was the creation of the 3 R's: reduction, refinement, and replacement. The concept was first discussed in 1957 by Charles Hume and William Russell at the university's Federation for Animal Welfare. This approach motivates the use of minimum number of animals, i.e. reduction, and the total number of animals used in the experiment. The use of animals must be planned and refined carefully in such a way that pain and distress caused during the experiment should be minimized. Furthermore, if possible, animals should be replaced with alternate methods.